In this video, we are going to see how we can disable the all notifications that you receive on the email from Facebook. So let's say you're receiving different notifications in email, like different activities, if someone has tagged you and so on. Here's how you can disable them all. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon and click on settings and privacy, and again click on settings. And on the left hand side, we can see this preferences and notification section. What notifications you receive, we have a couple of customized settings for this. So let's say that you want to turn off just the Reels notifications. You can do it here. You can disable the birthday notifications or turn on the birthday notifications. So we can do it here, but let's say that where you want to receive notifications, if we scroll down, it says email required notifications. So you can switch it to email frequency from all notifications to required notifications about just your account, security, privacy, and pages you manage. So this will give you minimum notifications for all of the activities that you see above. And that is the quickest and easiest way to do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.